Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? You guys are able to hear me? Hello, everyone. Hope you're all doing good. So, today we will discuss here the grade 3 maths, and the topic is the Deviant fluency. Okay, and these are the names of the chapter Deviant facts for 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10. Then deviant facts for 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10 are true or false, and the deviant facts for 6, 7, 8, and 9. All right, then. So here is the chapter name, that is deviant fluency. So let's get open. That is the first lesson. Let's open it and then start. So here is the question. We divide 8 divide over 2. So let's solve. How can we divide 8 over 2? So look at here. First of all, we just need to know the table. Okay, like remember how to divide by 2. First of all, write down all the table of 2. Okay, so we just need to put like this way the greater number inside and the smallest number outside. And now you guys tell me 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, so here is 2 times 4 is 8, and that when you subtract it 8 minus 8, then you got the answer here 0. So this is your answer, that is 4. So you're just gonna write it here 4. Very well done. Okay, so let's discuss the next. So here is the question, that is 12 divided by 3. Okay, so let's do it that one. So let me write here 12 divided 3. Okay, if you want to write it out like in the form of this table, then this is also right. Like, let's we divide 3 divided with 3, the answer you got is 1. 6 divided over 3, the answer you got is 2. 9 divided over 3, then you get the answer 3. Okay, then 12 divided over 3, then you get the answer 4. How can we just write all these answers like in this way? This is the table of 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Then we just put in that thing outside of this. Okay, so here 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. Then 3 times 4 is 12. All right, so just wanna put which number 12 is divided over 3. So when we divide 12 over 3, then we get the answer 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, then when we subtract, so this is the answer, that is 4. So we just Write it here. When you divide 12 over 3, then you get the answer 4. Okay, let's do the next. Here is the 15 that is divided over 3. Let's do it this. So I'm going to write it here 15 divided over 3. Again, there are two methods. First, you 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Like this is just like opposite. Look at here. 3 times 1 is 3. You just change this multiplication into the division sign and just shift these two. Okay. So 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. So let's get put it here. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay. And then 12 divided by 3 is 4. So 3 times 4 is 12. Then 15 divided by 3 is 5. Okay. So here you're going to write 3 times 5 is 15. Now, yes, good. 3 times 5. So here you're going to put 15. Then here you put 3. Then 3 times 5 is 15. Now when you're gonna subtract, then they got the answer 0. So what's the answer when you divide 3 over 15 or 15 over 3? Then you get the answer 5. Okay, all right then. So let's just solve one more for that. Okay, here this is a simple one, that is 2 divided over 2. Okay, so you guys tell me, when you divide 2 over 2, okay, so what you got the answer for that? That is 1. This is the simple thing. Okay, let's divide this. 20 divided by 4. Okay, let's do it that one. So here gonna write 20 divided over 4. Okay, first of all, just write the table of 4. All right then. So 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Then 4 times 3 is 12. Then 4 times 4 is 16. And 4 times 5 is 20. So what's the answer? When you divide 20 over 4, then you got the answer is 5. 4 times 5 is 20. Now gonna subtract. What's the answer? That is 0. Okay, so here we just check it. When you divide 20 over 4, then you got the answer is 5. Okay, all right, then let's do the next part. So here is 12 divided by 3. This is just same. 12 divided by 3. So what's the answer when you divide 12 over 3? So here when we divide 12 over 3, so the simple thing, here is 12, here is 3. So 3 times which number is 12? Anyone? Yes, 3 times which number is 12? 3 times 4 is 12. And when you subtract it, then you get the answer 0. So here you're gonna write your answer, that is 4. Okay. Okay, let's do some test question for that. So let's do the test. Okay, so in the test, this is same question as we already done, like 20 divided by 4. So here we already solved this question where it is. Yeah, look at here. 20 divided by 4, the answer is 5. Okay, so let's click this option. Here the option is also available. There are three options. Then we just click on the first one, that is 5, and then okay for that. Let's check. Yeah, this is right. Now 12 divided by 4, this question is already we solve it here. 12 over 4, no, not 12 by 4. Okay, 12 divided over 4. Yeah, all right, good. Answer is 5. Okay, now tell me the answer of that one. 12 divided by 4. 12 over 4. So 4 times which number is 12? 4 times 3 is, look at here, 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, so 4 times 3 is 12. Then you subtract, then you got the answer 0. So here the answer is 3. Let's check, is there any option for 3? Yes, the last one. Yeah, good. It's 3. All right then. Okay, solve the next. 2 divided by 2. This is the simple one. 2 times which number is 2? 2 times 1. So here is the option. Then we click this thing. Now let's do this one. It's again 3 times 3. It's okay. All right, good. It's 1. Okay then. 9 divided by 3. Let's do it this one, okay? 9 divided by 3. Now let's write 3 times 1 is 3. Then 3 times 2 is 6. Then 3 times 3 is 9. Very well done. So here is 9. Then you divide 3 over 3. Then we get the subtract. And then the answer is 3. So 3 times, when 9 is divided by 3, that is 3. Alright, 8 divided by 2. Let's do it that one. Okay, 8 that is divided by 2. Let's do it this one. 8 that is divided by 2. Now put 8 inside of this and 2 is outside. So 2 times which number is 8? As we know that, good, 2 times 4 is 8. Very good. So here we're gonna put 4, then 8, then subtract, and then 0. So we got the answer 4. 2 times 4, 8 is divided by 2 is 4. Very good. Okay, now anyone tell me the answer of 12 divided by 3? Already done this thing. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay, because 4 times 3 is 12. So we just need to put the answer 4 here. Okay, yeah, good. 4. Okay, now hope you guys understand this lesson, and then we will discuss the next now. Now we're gonna move to the next lesson because I hope this thing is clear. So let's do the next. So here is the number sentence true or false? So here we just check like when we divide it and then the answer is already given. Okay, the division thing like in this way, it's in the form of like for example here is written 12 divided by 3 and then here is 4. Then they are saying that is this statement like there is a statement here, is this true or it's false? So we just click that is true because 3 when you divide 12 over 3 then you get the answer it's 4. Okay, and if they like here is something like 15 divided by 5 for example, like the answer is 2 here, and there are two options, like first one is true and the second one is false. So we just check is this question is true. Let's check for that. Here is 15 is outside, 5 15 is inside, 5 is outside. So let's write the table of 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, so it means that 5 times 3 that is 15. When you subtract here is 0. So the answer is 3, but here the answer is 2. So it means that this statement is false. Okay, so here is false. Then we just check that these are false. Okay, now let's do that questions one by one. Here is the first question. 50 divided by 10 that is equals to 5. So let's check when you divide 50 over 10. So here is the 50 divided over 10. What's the answer? They are written the answer 5. Is this statement is true? So here is 50, then here is 10. So 10 time which number is 50? 10 times 5 is 50. That means this statement is true. Got it? So we just check this statement is true. Okay, tell me that one. 10 divided by 10. So is that statement is true? Yes. 10 times 1 is 10. So this statement is true. Is the number sentence true or false? 80 divided by 10 that is equals to 8. Is this true or false? Yes, it's also true. Now let's do the test question, some of it. Okay. Is the number sentence true or false? 40 divided by 5 that is equals to 8. Anyone? Are you able to answer me? Like is this statement is true or false? Okay. So this statement is true because 5 times 8 is 40. Here the statement is true. Let's click and then check. Yes, this is a right answer. Is the number sentence true or false? 90 divided by 10 that is equals to 9. Okay, good. This is also true. Well done. Okay, let's divide 5 divided by 5, that is equals to 2. Is that right statement? No, this is wrong because 5 times 1 is 5, because when you divide 5 over 5 then you get the answer 1. But here they write the answer 2, so this is a false statement. So when we just click it into the false. Is this number sentence true or false? Yeah, good, it's false. 18 divided by 2, that is equals to 9. Let's solve this question, then check like what's the answer for that. Okay, 18 divided by 2, that is equals to 9. First of all, write down the table of 2, that is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3, that is 6. 2 times 4, that is 8. 5 is 10. 6 is 12. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 9 is 18. Now, when we solve the question, good. 2 times 9 is 18. So here we got it. This is true. So 2 times 9 is 18. That is true. Let's. Yes, this is the answer, right? Now, is the number sentence true or false? 50 divided by 10, that is equals to 5. So when you divide 50 over 10, the answer is 5, and that is right. Okay, so this is also true. All right, let's do one more. Is the numbers, yeah, good, it's true. Is the number sentence true or false? 100 divided by 10, that is equals to 8. Anyone answer this question? Is this true or false? You answer for that question. Is the number sentence true or false? 100 divided by 100 divided by 10, that is equals to 8. Yeah, good. It falls. Because 10 times 10 is 100. So that is false. No, it's not true. It's false, Patch. Okay. Now, is the number sentence true or false? 70 divided by 10, that is equals to 6. So, when you divide 70 over 10, what's the answer? It's 6? No, it's 7. So, it means that this statement is also false. So, we just click the answer that is false. Hope you guys understand this lesson. Now, you can do all the rest of the question by yourself, practice it. Okay, now let's do the third lesson. That is divide division facts for 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now let's do it. Here is 24 and then divided by 6. So what's the answer when we divide 24 over 6? So let's just do it. This thing. There is no. So here is 24 divided 6. Okay, let's divide 24 over 6. So 6 times which number is 24? Anyone knows about the tables? 6 times 4 is 24. Good. Then subtract, and here is the 0. Now 4 is your answer. That's it. Now 12 divided by 6. this is again the same thing. When you divide 12 over 6, so 12 divided by 6 is 6 times 2 is 12, that is 2. Good. 45 divided by 9. So first of all we just check, like 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, 9 times 3 is 27, 9 times 4 is 36, and 9 times 5 is 45. And when we check the division thing, like, so 9 divided by 9 is 1. When you divided 18 over 9, that is 2. When you divide 27 over 9, that is 3. 36 over 9, that is 4. And 45 divided by 9, then you get the answer 5. All right. Let's do two or more questions, more practice questions. 18 divided by 6. Now look at that question. Basically, here is again the table of 6. So 6 times 3 is 18. So it means that when you divide 18 over 6, then you get the answer 3. Now let's do the test question. Okay. 12 divided by 6. Let's do it that one. So 12 divided by 6. So let's check. Here is the 12, here is the 6. So 6 times, which number is 12? 6 times 2 is 12. And when you subtract it, then you get the answer 0. Okay? So here the answer is 2. Let's check, is there any option for 2? Yes, third option C, that is 2. Alright. 9 divided by 9. This is again the same. Just simply divide 9 over 9. Then you get the answer 1. If the same numbers are basically in the division, so answer always be 1. 26 divided by 6. So 6 times, we already solved this question. So 6 times, so the answer is 4. Okay, let's do that one. 27 divided by 9. 27 divided by 9. Okay, when we divide, so 9 times 3 is 27. Good. When you subtract, then you get the answer. Okay, so here is the 3. Let's check, is there any answer for 3? Yes, the third, the C option. Let's click and then check. Now 45 divided by 9, already solve it here now. That is 5. 36 divided by 9. Let's do it this one. 36 divided by 9. Okay, so 36 put inside, 9 put outside. Let's write the here the table of 9. So 9 times 4 is 36. Good. So here we just write it, 9 times 4, that is 36. Subtraction, and then the answer is 0. Let's check, is there any option for yes here. Now 6 divided by 6. This is the simple question. Again, if then answer is 1. Okay, 27 divided by 9. So how can we solve it? Anyone are able to solve, please answer this question. Good. 9 times 3. All right, 9 times 3. Okay, solve this one. 18 divided by 9. Solve everyone and then tell me. All right. Okay, so it's 2. 9 divided by 9, again the same thing, so it means that it's 1 when you divide 9 over 9. Okay, 24 divided by 6. This is again the same thing. We already solved it. Alright, hope you guys understand this lesson as well. Okay, and now let's discuss the lesson 4. Divide facts for 6, 7, 8, and 9 like true or false. This is again the same thing for that. Now let's do it. We just check, like we write a, they also write a answer here, and the two options, that is true and false. Okay, then we check like this statement, this sentence is given, which is true or that is false. So let's check. 35 divided by 7, the answer is 5 is mentioned here. So 35 divided by 7, the answer is 5. Now let's check. 35 inside, 7 outside. Now 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3, that is 21. 7 times 4 is 28. And 7 times 5 is 35. So which number you got the answer? 35. 7 times 5. 7 times 5 is 35. Then you subtract it, then you get the answer 0. It means that this is true. So we just check that is true statement, and then our answer is true. Okay. Now let's do the part B. Is the number sentence true or false? 24 divided by 8, then you get the answer 3. Okay, then let's check this question. 28 divided 24 divided by 8. Sorry, that is 24 divided by 8, and here the answer is already given, which is 3. So we just check this statement is true or false. Okay, so let's just check. Here just gonna put the 24, and here is 8. Let's write down the table of 8. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. So where we get the answer? Wait, let me share again now. Now you guys please check. Are you able to see my screen and can hear my voice? Now please check. Okay. Yeah, now. All right. Okay, okay, great. So we are in which question? Like, yeah, over there. So here is the number sentence that is true or false. Okay. 35 divided by 7. 35 divided by 7, and here the answer is already given, which is 6. Okay. So is that statement is true or false? So let's check this thing. 35 inside, now 7 is outside, and then we just check that, like here write a table. 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 2 is 14, 7 times 3 is 21, 7 times 4 is 28, 7 times 5 is 35. So here just put 7 times 5 is 35. It means that here is the answer 5, but the answer that is given here, which is 6. So that is a false statement. We are saying that this is false. Okay. Now let's do some test question for that. Look at it. The first question is same. That is false. Alright, now solve it right now. Okay, let's do the next. 27 divided by 9, that is 2. As we know that when we divide 27 over 9, and here they given the answer is 2. Is that true or false? Anyone are able to answer me? That question is true or false? Okay, put 27 inside and 9 is outside. Write down here the table of 9. 9 times 1 is 9. Then 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. It means that here the answer is 3 is 27. Okay, so 27 divided by 9, the answer is 3. But here the answer is 2, so it means that that is a false. So we just click, is there any option for false? Yes, here. Good. Okay, is the number sentence true or false? 16 divided by 8, that is equals to 4. That is true or false? Let's check that thing, okay? 16 divided by 8, that is equals to 4. So we just need to just put the 16 inside, 8 is outside. Now as we know that 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. But here the answer that is given good, which is wrong. So that is false. So we just put that is false. Okay. All right, let's do that. Once 14 divided by 7, that is equals to 2. Yes, this is right because 7 times 2 is 14. So this is true statement. Is the number sentence true or false? 7 divided by 7. Yes, this is true because here the answer is already given, that is 1. So we are saying that this is a true statement. Now let's do this one. Again, 6 divided by 6. Again, that is 1. That is also a true. Then we just click it here, a true. Alright, good. 28 divided by 7. Let's solve this question. Okay. 28 28 divided by 7, and here the answer is given, which is 4. Let's check, is that true or false? 28 inside, 7 is outside. Let's write the table of 7. 7 times 1 is 7, 2 is 14, 3 is 21, and 7 times 4 is 28. Yes, it means that that is true. 7 times 4 is 28, and then you subtract. So here is a true. So we just click on the true. Okay, then 24 divided by 8, that is equals to 3. Is that a right statement? When you divide 28 over 4, that is 3. So it means that 8 times 3 is 24. Yes, this is a true statement. So here we just click on the true, and that's it. Is the number sentence true or false? Here is the number sentence which is true or false. That is 36 divided by 9, which is equals to 5. Let's solve this one, okay? 36 divided by 9, that is equals to 5. So when we solve this question, 36 and 9, let's check. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. Yes, that is false. Times 4 is 36 here. But here answer is given, that is 5. So it means which is wrong. So we click on the false here. Okay. So hope you guys understand this lesson. And now you you guys solve rest of all the questions by yourself now. So today we will discuss the grade 3 maths division fluency, and here first 4 lessons for that. Division facts for 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 10. Division facts for 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. True or false. Then division facts for 6, 7, 8, and 9. And then the last is division facts for 6, 7, 8, and 9. True or false. So you guys make sure before starting the next session, you guys practice all the questions, solve all the rest of the questions, and if you still need any help in any of the question, then you just contact the tutors on the Skype that are available Monday to Friday 5 to 9 p.m. Okay, so for now you guys take care of yourself and have a good day. Bye.